Hello, I am a philosopher. Do you remember where we left off in the previous episode?
Of course, philosopher, we stopped when I asked, where did dinosaurs live?
Well, that's cool. According to paleontologists, it lived on all continents. But it is very difficult to clearly state the home of the dinosaurs, because so little fossil data is available. Sometimes, a few plants and animals are found that were present in the dinosaur crisis, but there is still little to be said about their habitat.
Well, philosopher, I have one more question. How were the fossils formed?
Good question. Fossils are formed by different processes of nature. In arid regions of the world, fossils of animals and humans were forming because the arid climate dried up their carcasses completely. This preserved the bodies for thousands of years and provided us with their fossils. Fossils can also be formed through freezing. If a corpse was frozen continuously for thousands of years, this could also be a fossil. Scientists discovered the remains of many Ice Age animals through this process. Another process by which fossils are formed is called carbonization. In this process, the organism's corpse leaves its trail, in the form of carbon, on rocks and trees.
Wow, I have another question as well. What were the dinosaurs eating?
Well. Dinosaurs were herbivores, eating herbs, but some of them were carnivores, eating meat. It is extremely important in any food chain that there are more organisms at the lower levels of the chain. This is because if the transfer of dietary energy is not sufficient, much energy will be wasted. During the age of the dinosaurs, the medieval era, the number of diverse plants was much greater than the number of animals.
That's cool, but I have another question as well. How fast were the dinosaurs?
The smallest dinosaur was able to run at the same speed as a racing horse, 64 kilometers per hour. The dinosaur ran its highest speed between 37 kilometers per hour and 88 kilometers per hour. The maximum speed of a dinosaur, 88.6 kilometers per hour, is equivalent to the speed at which the fastest land animals in the current era, such as the American antelope in North America, run.
Well, philosopher, that has another question too. What happened to the dinosaurs?
This is a very good question. Fossil evidence shows that the number and diversity of dinosaurs decreased in the last 10 million years of the Cretaceous period. During that time, the climate on Earth became colder and drier. Dinosaurs became extinct when they were unable to adapt to the environmental changes that occurred for various reasons. For example, around the same time, a massive asteroid collided with Earth, creating a crater 240 kilometers in diameter in the Yucatan Peninsula, Mexico. This may be caused by months and years of extreme cold due to the presence of ash in the atmosphere. Likewise, many volcanic eruptions occurred at this time. Large amounts of lava, volcanic ash and toxic gases led to many climate changes, all of which led to the extinction of the dinosaurs.
Can dinosaurs communicate with each other?
Dinosaurs, like other animals, can communicate with each other, and some types of dinosaurs have a crest above their head, such as parasaurolophos and cordosaurs. That top is formed from the inside hollow, so that the sound through it is louder and heard for more long distances.
Wow, this is valuable information that I must write in my scientific notes.
Of course, Rabonian, you also must write your information in your scientific notes, so that you do not forget it. Wait for me, I am the philosopher in the next episode. And now I have to quickly get back to my lab. Goodbye.
Finally I found you, O doomed philosopher.